Hey, what's going on, everybody? How y'all doing? Hopefully y'all are chilling right now. But if you're new to the crew, make sure you subscribe and get notified for more videos just like this. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So today I just was picking up my Samsung Galaxy Tab A tablet, and I wanted to kind of play PUBG on it, kind of browse the web, but I decided to go into settings and just tap update, you know what I'm saying? I wasn't sure, but I did know that a slew of the Samsung Galaxy budget phones in the A lineup were getting Android 11 to their phones, as well as Samsung One UI 3.1. So I decided to go ahead, check for this tablet since it is in that A series. And what I saw was that we do actually have a new update right here for the One UI Core 3.1 update to Android 11 for the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. So you can see right here it says that the One UI Core is designed to help focus on what matters. Our visual redesign has improved places, the places you visit most, like the home screen, the quick panel, the things like that. They also do have a visual design refresh, improved performance, better customization, as well as enhanced features, calls and chats, things like that. And this update will be available on almost all the Galaxy Tabs in the A lineup and the phones in the A series. So I just went ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and hit this while we are, while we're talking. So I'm gonna go ahead and download it. It's 1.6 megabytes large. So it does have the March 1st security update as well. So that's gonna be downloading in the background, but this tablet is really cool. I've been using it for a long time, for a short time now actually, but it feels like a long time. But right now I have the Poetic turtle skin case on here to back it, just in case I get any drops on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off so you can just kind of see the metal finish on here. Is a 10.4 inch, really nice. It's the 3 gigabyte model, doubled, bundled with the 64 gigabytes as well, Wi-Fi version. So you can see that right there, but it has that large 7040 milliamp hour battery on here, Snapdragon 662 as well. So this device is very, surprisingly powerful for the price as well, and it's definitely got a really good build form factor to it. So I definitely think this is pretty cool. We're gonna run down the list of options here. So you do get improved performance. They enhance the dynamic memory allocation, so apps run faster and perform better. They've also restricted background activities to provide better performance and power usage on here. So you've got enhanced home screen and lock screen features on here, as well as calls and chats will be also improved. You can see conversations separately in the notification panel. When you drag down and look at people who have messaged you, you'll be able to see each chat separately, which is kind of cool on the tablet. So I definitely think that's pretty sick on here. We'll be getting that trash bin for calls and chats. Videos and pictures are also, I know you guys probably know all of this information because you've seen my last few videos on the Android 11 update for the Samsung devices. So I'm just waiting for this to actually finish, download and everything like that. I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video so you don't have to wait for the whole thing, and then we'll get back to the update and everything like that. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now of course the Samsung Galaxy A7 has fully downloaded the software right here. I just want to run through this one more time with you. Improved performance, better customizations, enhanced features, calls and chats, visual design as well, pictures and videos. You get that auto focus and exposure, exposure and everything like that will be increased. The keyboard will have better language inputs and copy and paste images from verifications and text messages, stickers and things like that. Productivity, new routines, maintain a healthy balance. You can browse and select drop files from the drive, cloud drive files from file selection files, in my files, media controls, and additional improvements. So let's go ahead and install this one right here. And that says it's gonna actually Android system update right here. So it says please wait, but this tablet has been really solid. It's got a really nice feel in the hand. It has a lightweight form factor. It doesn't feel cheap. You can see it's actually flying through the update as we speak right now. 22% in, 24%, 26% in, of the way through. So you can see right here, that's where it is right here. But this device has a rear-facing 8 megapixel camera on here, as well as a 2 megapixel on the front. I mean, a 5 megapixel on the front for the selfie. So it's pretty decent. It does do a decent job, but it has really loud speakers on here. Speakers tuned by AKG, I believe, or Dolby Audio. But the sound signature that you're getting is very high quality. They did a really good job of tuning the audio on here, 72%. But I've had this tablet for, pretty much about almost 2 months now, 3 months now. It's been solid. In every sense of the word and imagination. It flies through tasks really well. 64 gigabytes of internal storage is actually pretty decent. I wish I had 128. And you know what I'm saying, I haven't really tried to move apps to the SD card, but I already heard you can't do so. So it's actually rebooting right now. The screen has blacked out, and now it says Samsung Galaxy A7 secured by the Knox. So they have really good security on these tablets as well. You can see it fits nicely in my hand with the 10.4 inch, so I could actually stretch my hands all the way across it. Nice weight to it as well. Doesn't feel cheap, but it doesn't feel light either. Has that Type-C on the bottom, speakers on the top and bottom as well. So it's like a quad speaker setup on this guy. Headphone jack on the bottom as well. You do get your SD card slot. Really, really nice feel on this little guy. 25% of the way through on here. So let's just go ahead, wait for that to download real quick. Okay guys, so the tablet has been booted back up, and it's on this screen here. It says the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 secured by Knox, powered by Android right here. So it's going to be updated to the latest version of the Android 11 right now. So I'm just waiting for, the screen to boot back up at any moment. So that should happen really soon. But, this device is up to date right now. It's due to get more updates, even Android 12 security patches, security updates from then on. So they're just going to keep flowing in over time. And, you can see right here that Samsung has been just cranking out updates and pampering a lot of their devices from the A series as well. So I think that's pretty cool to see. I definitely like the fact that they're doing that. It shows that they really care about their devices and things of that nature to upgrade them all the time. So you can see right here, it says the tablet is updating all the apps right now. So when you first open up the device, you will get that option for facial recognition, but you'll have to swipe into your pattern. So it says, okay. Even that looks different. It's a lot smaller, the way they made that swipe feature. It says this app is using the full screen. Swipe gestures for navigation will show from the status bar. To navigate, swipe again while the status bar is visible. So it's installing the applications right now is what it says. So it's installing all the applications right now, so I'm just gonna wait for that to install. Okay, so that looks really clean. Let's swipe down, and you can see that it's still working on the update, but the tab has a nice notification, smooth rounded corners. Everything is smooth on the panel. It's like really smooth, really nice look to it. Everything is organized a little bit neater, as you can see. The rows are more narrow and polished. put it on this way, and you can see they put it on the right side right there. This, when you swipe from the middle, you get it from the middle. I always like how they do that on this tablet. Swipe up, you get your app tray as well. So definitely pretty cool. We're gonna go into the settings and just go ahead and check for it says it's updated right now, so that's pretty crazy. It says right here you have about tablet, and then you have software information. So this is the 3.1 Android 11 right here, guys. So I definitely think that's pretty sweet. So you can see right here, that is the Android 11 on here. Pretty crazy, pretty nuts. It's smooth as butter too. It's flowing really nicely right now. I took off that Google feed thing, I believe, just so it'd be a lot quicker. But really solid update. I really like that. Improvements on the camera for autofocus as well. Let's go ahead and open up the camera and take a couple of shots with this guy right here. It says right here, take selfies easy. You could put your palm up and it'll automatically take a selfie. All right, so that's pretty cool. It's actually does help, the fact that it does that. You get a wide mode for your face and you get a skinny mode. Let me delete that. So you see, it takes really good pictures. I was really surprised at the pictures that it was taking on here for the front facing camera. Let's go into the rear camera. And yeah, the camera focuses pretty well on objects, as you can see right here. So pretty decent autofocus on here. You get that zoom in mode right there that you can use, or you could get that wider mode as well. So I like that. They improved the autofocus just a little bit, so it's easier to take pictures without it blurring out on you. So look at that. That looks pretty good. You can see right there. So definitely like the upgrade for the Android 11 on the Tab A7. Let me know what you guys think that will look like. You're getting smoother animation, smoother, you know what I'm saying, visual performance, visually and internally. They have it customized it so that the RAM is optimized better. Background of the apps is optimized better. It flows really nicely. I can't complain. It's actually a lot smoother than I can ever remember it being. This panel right here is organized. The tab is like more rounded, and you could read each chat separately. Let me click this because it says it's up to date now, and then at the bottom it says it's up to date now, so you can see that right there. But these come out in waves. If you haven't gotten your update just yet, don't worry, it should be on the way. It's like it comes out in waves every few days or so. More updates roll out, so just be patient and stuff like that. But I just turned on my tablet I turned it off before the weekend, and I just turned it back on, and I have the update. So I definitely think that's pretty cool. But I'm gonna get right back with you. I'm also gonna see you right down below in the comment section, so make sure you leave a comment down below. I'm gonna read that. I'm gonna be reading the comments right now, and I'll check you guys later on the next video. But if you're new to the crew, make sure you subscribe, get notified for all future videos. But later, crew, peace.